For the past 5 years, I have not had my own office. Today, we're gonna do something about it. 2 years ago, we moved into our home, and this is the homeschool space. So this is where the kids do their work and have their fun. And there's my office. So as you can imagine, it's not the most effective place to film videos and get quiet work done and have calls. So my husband suggested I make my way down here. And you see he's been a little spoiled. This is the area that I'm going to turn into my space. And this is all his space and his stuff and laundry, and it's a mess. But let's get going. Now, if you know my husband, he loves black. So, hence the dark dungeony vibes. And we're gonna spruce it up a bit. Okay, so this is where we're gonna start. Like, this is gonna be my new little YouTube studio, and it's looking pretty rough, but we're gonna do some painting, and he knows I'm planning on doing this. He doesn't know I'm planning on doing this today when he's not here. He's at the church working on some things. So hopefully it's not too much of an issue. But we'll see. I mean, he's spoiled. He's got 2 offices. Granted, he deserves it, but I deserve this space too. So let's get going. So recently I've been really into like painting half a wall one color, half the other color. I love teals and greens and blues, and I happen to have one of my favorite colors left over from painting the fireplace, and then I'm gonna do the other half white. Here's to hoping I got enough paint. Fred would kill me if he sees what I'm about to do, but sometimes you gotta, like, you know, be resourceful. I don't have another tray, and I don't feel like running out, but what I do have is this box. I'm also worried about running out of white paint, but we were fine with the blue, so I should be okay. Oh my god, I could just hear him now. I don't even know if this white is too hard. Like, it's been in there for a while. Boy. Oh, Oliver. Okay, Oliver and I are gonna take a little break. Come on, buddy. So while I eat my lunch, since the basement is like mission secret, top secret mission right now, they have been told if Daddy gets home, don't tell him what I'm doing. Just tell him I'm in the basement, okay? I want him to be totally surprised about it, what it looks like. Joey, what do you think he's gonna do?
Probably just take a deep breath and be like, hey, it looks good. What are you doing?
The kids know by now that in all of my random painting excursions and ideas, he is never on board at first. Never.
No.
Never.
But then eventually he says,
but as soon as I do it,
it looks good.
It looks good.
No, it's good.
Alright, it's coming together. Originally, I was not gonna have this black line here. I was gonna, you know, it was gonna be gone. But, I don't know. I think I'm taking it. Max and I have been summoned to the church to help with a few things. So this is gonna put in pause, and he's just gonna have to be surprised later on when he comes home. Well, we had a much busier day at the church than I anticipated, and my husband is gonna get home when I'm gone. I'm going dancing with some friends tonight because yay, fun in my 40s. So I think I'm gonna have to FaceTime and show him the basement that way. Otherwise he'll get home and I won't be there, and he'll see it and he'll be like, for real? So yeah.
Hello? Oh my God. I'm gonna ask you nicely and kindly to never, ever move drums and piano and music stuff in my office again. Okay? Thank you.
What are you helping me with, buddy?
Shelf.
Yeah, it's coming together. We want to see like where I should hang this. Is this a good height? Like if my head is here?
That's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I realize the shelf is completely warped, but you know, it's all good.
It's a sound.
It's finally done. It has been weeks since I have painted. Fred had some time to get over pouting and his surprise. Just kidding, he didn't really pout. Maybe that night, just for a few minutes. And you wouldn't know that on the other side of the studio is the laundry and the drums and the t-shirt and Fred's office. And here it is. What do you think? Isn't it amazing what some paint and some light and a few little things behind me can do? Oh my gosh, I am so excited what this means for the future of this channel, for the future of this community, what it means for me to just feel like that I can get away from everything else that's going on upstairs, homeschooling, kitchen, dog, kiddos, all of it. So this just goes to show you, I hope perhaps if you have had something that you have been meaning to do, something that you feel would really help you grow in a specific area, but you've been stopping yourself, maybe because of time, or maybe because of money, or maybe because of you just haven't taken action. I hope this inspires you to know that sometimes if we take just a little bit of action, we can get really big results. And also, I think it's just kind of perfect that on the other side of this is like a little bit of a mess in my opinion, but look at this miracle back here. Okay, friend, that's all for now. I'll see you next time.